here to talk to you about a hot new topic.
We are the Science Girls. Yeah. We are the Science Girls.
Science rules.
We are the Science Girls.
Inertia is a property of matter.
We are the Science Girls. Yeah.
Before you were you. You were this. What is this, you may ask? Let's go into the lab to find out. Let's try that again. This is a stem cell. A stem cell is a blank cell that is not yet differentiated or specialized into a specific cell in the body. Every time a cell divides, it can go through self-renewal, then it can either go into two identical stem cells, or it can differentiate into two other types of special cells, much like this. It can either go like this to these, or you can go from this to these, which are two nerve cells. There are two different types of stem cells. There are embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. The embryonic stem cells can form any cell type needed to form your body. These are the embryonic stem cells. So for example, this can turn into a muscle cell or a skin cell. Therefore, this baby was originally made up of all stem cells. Adult stem cells are just what they sound like. They're stem cells found in adult tissues. These cells can only differentiate into their cell types. So for example, if I had a muscle stem cell, it can go through self-renewal and create two muscle stem cells, or it can divide and it can create a muscle cell. Stem cells rule! So, what can we do with all of these stem cells? Well, both types of stem cells can be used in the medical field. For example, in the past, scientists have found stem cells located within the adult body. They have found skin stem cells, brain stem cells, and blood stem cells. That means that they can find these skin stem cells and they can create skin tissue to help patients. What about embryonic stem cells? Around 2006, Dr. Shinya Yamanaka found a way to create embryonic stem cells from skin cells by introducing a gene associated with stem cell activity. So now that they have embryonic stem cells, they can make anything? Yeah, they can now potentially create organs and tissues in the lab. So we can save lives. Yes, we can. Wow.
Hey,
There she is.
just coming in to check on my patient's skin flap.
Amazing, right? Pulled a couple stem cells from the baby in utero. 6 weeks later, I have grown skin. Like God.
Nice.
Did you know that?
Scientists have already found ways to make mini livers, mini hearts that can beat, and even looking towards curing blindness with retina stem cells.
Now you know!
Today we have learned about two different types of stem cells. We have the embryonic stem cells and the adult stem cells. We have learned that scientists were able to artificially create embryonic stem cells. And with that, we can make new organs and tissues for humans to save lives. We can create tissues for transplants, organs for transplants, and we can test medicine and drugs. We can also treat many diseases that we were not able to treat before. Stem cells are rules. Stem cells, what will you turn into? Stem cells, anything you want. You can make organs, you can make tissues, you can even make a human. Stem cells, you can save lives.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.